Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative and implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put first derivative for the both sides. So this one we can apply it about the product rule of derivative. So that should be like this. So we do first derivative of x multiplied by y. Later that we do first derivative of y multiplied by x. So this one we have number 1. This one we have first derivative of y. This one we have 3y squared and first derivative of y. This one we have first derivative of y. This one we have number 0. And this one we have 2y plus number 2 first derivative of y and x. Next, I will put this one go to the left, 2y we put on the right. Next, we can do about factorization by first derivative of y. Next, we divide both sides by this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.